Trogdor the board game.
There's Trogdor the board game. It's in a brown box.
This one feels like to open up Trogdor the board game.
It's got some bubble wrap. And then here it is. Trogdor the board game. Yeah, it's got this nice plastic shrink wrap. Quartermaster Logistics. See something wrong? Let us know. Alright. Looks nice. On all four sides. Then we got this instruction booklet. Strong bad on Trogdor. Kind of cute, right? A little bag of extra wooden meeples here. Here's all the normal meeples. Stack to the Heavens bag for the Stack to the Heavens game. Items of Trogdor. The Trog meter. Top to bottom will give you the Burning Nation effect. You can't go side to side. Oh yeah, see that's a whole separate container there with this plastic covering on it. So it shows you that there's one that's already been burninated and then the two that aren't burninated. Like that. Or you can store it, in this case, like that. There's a little cap for his head. Here are all your peasants and here are all your cottages, your thatched roof cottages. And then there's your Trogdor with his, beefy arm in the back there.
For the rules on how to play the game, check out the official walkthroughs on the Homestar Runner channel. I just wanted to share our experience. The game says it's for 14 plus, which feels high. My 10 and 13-year-olds picked it up with no problems. Even my 7-year-old had a great time playing and only needed a little help. As it's a cooperative game without a time limit, it's not hard to have younger kids play. My 5-year-old gets a kick out of controlling the soundboard. The soundboard is awesome and makes the game a lot more fun.
Arrowed!
There are multiple screens with a ton of options.
Ooh, nice save!
These are the good, these are the bad. So let's start playing Trogdor board game.
Overall, we highly recommend the game.
I'm gonna tell you all the things that you're supposed to do. Burn a nation, the pageant.